Are you a beginner gardener seeking low-maintenance plants to cultivate? Welcome to the world of easy care greenery, perfect for those just dipping their toes into the gardening realm. These plants require less time and attention, needing fewer waterings and less fertilization. They're also hardy, resisting most common pests and diseases. This makes them an excellent choice for novice gardeners keen to develop their green thumb without the hefty time commitment. Stay tuned to learn about some of the best low-maintenance plants you can start growing today. Get ready to discover a variety of low-maintenance plants that will make your gardening journey a breeze. First on our list are succulents. These little gems are drought-resistant, making them perfect for those who might forget to water now and then. Their unique shapes and colors can add a touch of whimsy to any space. Next, let's talk about snake plants. Known for their resilience, snake plants can thrive in a variety of light conditions and don't require frequent watering. Pothos, with its cascading vines and heart-shaped leaves, is another excellent choice. This plant can adapt to lower light conditions and doesn't need constant watering. Spider plants, with their striking, arching foliage, are not only attractive but also incredibly resilient. They're perfect for beginners due to their adaptability to a variety of environments. Lastly, peace lilies. These plants are not only beautiful but also known for their air-purifying qualities. They thrive in low light and need only occasional watering. Remember, these plants are just a starting point. There are many more low-maintenance plants out there to explore. Now, you are ready to start your gardening journey with these low-maintenance plants. Embrace the joy of gardening without the stress. Remember, even as a beginner, you can cultivate a flourishing garden by starting with these easy-to-care-for plants. It doesn't have to be a time-consuming chore. Rather, it can be a delightful escape into nature's embrace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!